Hi dear students, good morning. So today we are going to study about our chapter 2 Animal Kingdom. Okay, and the previous class we discussed about our first lesson plants around us, and that chapter we discussed about types of plants, then the things that we get from plants, and we also discussed about parts of a plant. So what are the different types of a plant? Different types of plants. Yes, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. So there are 5 types of plants, and they are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. Then we studied about the things that we get from plants. So which are the things that we get from plants? Yes, fruits and vegetables, rubber, then grains, very good. Then other things, wood for furniture, cotton, tea, coffee, etc. And we discussed about parts of plants. So a plants are different parts, and the different parts of a plant are roots, stem, leaves, branches, flowers, fruits and seeds. Then we also discussed about terrestrial and aquatic plants. So what do you mean by terrestrial plants? The plants that live on land are called terrestrial plants. Some plants live on land like mango tree, rose, other trees. Okay, so that as types of plants are called terrestrial plants. The plants that live on land are called terrestrial plants. And the plants that live in water are called aquatic plants. Some plants like lotus, water lily, etc. live in water, and such types of plants are called aquatic plants. So the plants that live in water are called aquatic plants. So today we are going to start our next lesson, and that's our lesson number 2, Animal Kingdom. And in this chapter we are going to study about types of animals. So there are many animals found all over the world, and you can see many animals around us. So in this chapter we are going to study about or discuss about some types of animals. There are different types of animals. So let's start. So in your textbook, page number 111, there is a warm-up section. So take your textbook and take the page number 111, and here is your second chapter, Animal Kingdom. K-I-N-G-D-O-M, Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. Okay, so here is your warm-up section. Okay. So it's startup section, and here is the question. Identify these animals and take the right choice. So here pictures of some animals are given. We want to identify the animals and take the correct option given here. Okay. So here first one. So look at your textbook. Here is the first question. This is a dog or cat? This is a dog or cat, and the option is dog or cat, and the picture is here. Is it a dog or cat? It's a dog. Okay, so this is a dog. So you take dog. D-O-G, dog. So here's the question is like this. This is a dog or cat. So we want to identify that the given picture is a dog or a cat. So here the given picture shows it's a picture of dog. So you take dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. Then the next question is here. Here is the picture. This is a goat or cow. Is it a goat or cow? It's a goat. So you take the option goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Z-goat. Here is the picture. This is a horse or donkey. Is it a horse or donkey? This is a horse. This is a horse. So the option is, this is a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse, or donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. So the correct option is horse. This is a horse. So we take the option horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Then the next one. Here is the picture. What is this? This is a hen. This is a hen. And here is the option. This is a rabbit or hen. Is it a rabbit? No. This is a hen. This is a hen. So the option is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit or hen. H-E-N. Hen. So the correct option is hen. So take the option hen. H-E-N. Hen. So here the first question. This is a dog. This is a dog. And this is a goat. And here this is a horse. And this is a hen. H-E-N. Hen. Then here's the next question. This is a frog. This is a frog. Here the option is frog or turtle. This is a frog. It's not a turtle. It's a frog. So you take the option frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. So here's the option is frog or turtle. So here the correct option is frog. So you take the option frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Then the next question. Here is the picture. What is this? This is it a crow or a duck? It's a duck. This is a duck. So here the given picture shows a duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. So the correct option is duck. And then here the options are crow. C-R-O-W. Crow or duck. D-U-C-K. So the correct option is duck. So you take the option duck. D-U-C-K. Then the next question. This is an, what is this? This is an ant. This is an ant. And here's the option is ant or a fly. Ant. A-N-T, ant. Okay. Ant or a fly. So this is a ant. Sorry, this is an ant. This is an ant. So you take the option ant. A-N-T, ant. Then the last question. This is a bird or kite. Is it a kite? No. This is a bird. This is a bird. So here's the options are bird. B-I-R-D. Bird or kite. K-I-T-E. So here the picture is. This is a bird. So the correct option is bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. So you take the correct option bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. So these are the answers of the warm-up section questions. So look at your textbook. This is a dog. This is a goat. This is a horse. And this is a hen. Here this is a frog. This is a duck. This is an ant. A-N-T. Ant. This is an ant. And this is a bird. Okay. So you do the correct answers in your textbook and send to my WhatsApp. Okay. So now we are going to start our new lesson about animal kingdom. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to study about types of animals. In the last chapter we discussed about types of plants, and the plants are living things, and in this chapter we studied about animals. Animals are also living things. We are going to study about types of animals. Okay. animals live in land and some animals live in water, and some of the animals live on both land and water. So we are going to study about types of animals. Okay, so we can see that some types of animals like elephant, dog, cat, tiger, lion, etc. They are live in land. They are live on land. And some other animals like fishes, then another animals live on water. Then some animals live on both land and water. So we are going to study about types of animals. So the first one, land animals. So what do you mean by land animals? Animals that live on land are called land animals. Animals that live on land are called land animals. So the first one is land animals. L-A-N-D, land animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, land animals. So look at the spelling. L-A-N-D, land animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, land animals. So the same spelling, L-A-N-D, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, land animals. So what do you mean by land animals? Animals that live on land are called land animals. Okay, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals that live on land. Animals that, T-H-A-T, that, T-H-A-T, that, animals that live on land. Live. What is the spelling of the word live? L-I-V-E, live. L-I-V-E, live on, O-N, live on land. L-A-N-D, live on land are called land animals. So the animals that live on land are called land animals. Example, tiger, lion, elephant, etc. Okay. So example, tiger. T-R-G-E-R, tiger. Okay. Then the next one, animals that live on water. The animals that live on water are called aquatic animals. Okay. So you just studied the definition of land animals. Okay. Aquatic animals means the animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Example, fishes. So let's see the spelling of aquatic animals. A-Q-U-A-T-I-C, aquatic animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, aquatic animals. A-Q-U-A-T-I-C, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, aquatic animals. Okay, so you just only study the definition of land animals. Animals that live on land are called land animals. Example, elephant, goat, tiger, cow, lion, etc. Okay, so you just forgot the word aquatic animals. So once again, what do you mean by land animals? Animals that live on land are called land animals. And another type of land animal is terrestrial animals. In the last chapter, we studied about the plants that live on land are called terrestrial plants. The plants that live on land are called terrestrial that the animals that live on land are also known as terrestrial animals. Okay, so the land animals are also known as terrestrial animals. Terrestrial. T-E-R-R-E-S-T-R-I-A-L. Terrestrial animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Okay, so just study the word terrestrial animals. Okay, so the land animals are also known as terrestrial animals. So what do you mean by land animals? The animals that live on land are called land animals or terrestrial animals. Then the next topic is types of animals. There are many types of animals live on land. So let's see what the types of terrestrial or land animals. So next topic is types of animals. T-Y-P-E-S, types. O-F, types of animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, types of animals. First, just we look at the types of animals that live on land and water. Okay. So the first type of animal is wild animals. So first let's do the spelling of types of animals. So the first one is wild animals. W-I-L-D, wild. W-I-L-D, wild animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, wild animals. So the first type of animal is wild animals. W-I-L-D-A-N-I-M-A-L-S, wild animals. Then the second one is domestic animals. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, domestic animals. Then the third one is pet animals. P-E-T, pet animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, pet animals. Then the next one is birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. And the fifth one, insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. So the first one, wild animals, domestic animals, pet animals, birds, insects, then water animals. Sixth one is water animals. The animals that are live in water are called water animals or aquatic animals. Water animals. So these are the 6 types of animals. First one, wild animals. W-I-L-D, wild animals. A-N called the animals. So these are the 6 types of animals. So you just write the spelling of these are the types of animals in your class book and 10 times and send to my WhatsApp. Okay, so you just write 10 times these words in your class book and study the spelling of these words very well and send to my WhatsApp. Are you understood? Okay. So then we are moving to study about each type of animals. So the first type of animal is wild animals. W-I-L-D. Wild animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Wild animals. W-I-L-D. Wild animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Wild animals. So what do you mean by wild animals? Some animals live in the forest. Some animals live in forest and these types of animals are called wild animals like tiger, lion, giraffe. These animals also live in forest and the animals that live in forest are called wild animals. The animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Okay, so the animals that live in forest are called wild animals. So the definition is animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals that T-S-A-T, that the animals that live in forest, the animals that live in forest, animals that live, L-I-V-E, live, animals that live in, I-N, live in forest, F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forest, F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forest. Animals that live in forest are called A-R-E, are called C-A-L-L-E-D, are called wild animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, wild animals. Okay, so the animals that live in forest are called wild animals. And examples for wild animals. Examples for some animals that live in forest. So the examples are tiger, lion, then giraffe, bear, elephant, etc. So write any 2 examples for wild animals. So the first one, tiger. Tiger is a wild animal because tiger live in the forest. And another example is lion. Lion is a wild animal because lions also live in forest. So they are called wild animals. So lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Okay. So the animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Example, tiger, lion. And any more examples there? Like elephant, bear, giraffe, etc. Okay. So the first type of animal is wild animals. Understood? So what is the spelling of the word wild animals? W-I-L-D, wild animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, wild animals. So what do you mean by wild animals? The animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. So you just write the definition of wild animals in your class book and study the definition very well. Okay. The examples for wild animals are tiger, to wild animals because they live in the forest. Are you understood? So wild animals means animals that live in forest are called wild animals. And this is the first type of animal. Then the second type is domestic animal. So the second one is domestic animals. So what is the spelling of the word domestic animals? D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animal. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Domestic animals. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Domestic animals. So what do you mean by domestic animals? Is some animals that are tamed by us for walk and giving us food and some other things are called domestic animals. Like cow, we get milk from cow, goat, etc. And we get wool from sheep, and we get wool from sheep. Okay, so like that, animals give us, some animals give us food and some animals give us other materials for our living purpose, and such types of animals are called domestic animals. Example: cow, goat, sheep, horse, etc. Okay, so domestic animals means animals that are tamed by us for our use. Tamed means പരിപാലിക്കുക. Okay, so animals. So what do you mean by domestic animals? Animals that are tamed by us for our use are called domestic animals. Animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals that are tamed by, tamed, T-A-M-E-D, tamed by, by. So the animals that are tamed by us for use, tamed by us for our use are called domestic animal. For our use are called domestic animals. And examples for domestic animals are cow. So we get cow milk and cow dung from cow, and so cow is a domestic animal. Then we get milk from goat, so goat is a domestic animal. Then we get wool from sheep, so sheep is a domestic animal. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So these are the examples for domestic animals. The animals that are tamed by us for our use are called domestic animals. Example: cow, goat, sheep, etc. Okay. So you just write the spelling of types of animals in 10 times in your class book and send to my WhatsApp, and study the definition of wild animals and domestic animals very well. Okay. So now today let's wind up our class and study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.